Our next dish originated in the United States during the early 20th century. Introducing, guys, sloppy joes. For the ingredients, we have 1 clove garlic, half kilogram minced meat or turkey, 3 tablespoon brown sugar, half teaspoon garlic powder, quarter teaspoon onion powder, 2 cups tomato sauce, half cup ketchup, 2 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 2 teaspoon mustard, 1 onion, half cup cucumber pickles. We start with preheating the pan, adding the vegetable oil and the onion. Once ready, we will add the garlic and the minced meat. We'll be adding some black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, Worcester sauce, some ketchup, tomato sauce, mustard, and little bit of salt. Our last two ingredients will be the brown sugar. We mix it well, and our last ingredient will be the pickles.
خلاص اشغل.
لا شغل الزلمة، خلاص وقفي وقفي.
سلابي جو، عيش حياتك. سلابي جو.